How to get Amazon Pharmacy. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for pharmacy.amazon.com. You will be asked to sign in or sign up. So, if you already have an account, then simply sign in, and if you do not have an account, then go ahead and sign yourself in by entering the required details. You will need to provide information like your name, date of birth, and payment method. Once you are signed in, transfer or upload your prescription. If you are transferring an existing prescription, provide details about your current pharmacy and the medications you are taking. Amazon will then handle the transfer further, and if you want to request for a new prescription, have your healthcare provider send the prescription directly to Amazon Pharmacy. Optionally, you can add your health insurance information for potential savings. Amazon Pharmacy also supports health saving accounts, that is HSA, and flexible spending accounts, that is FSA. Now, check the pricing. Amazon Pharmacy offers competitive pricing, and members of Amazon Prime can access discounts through the RX Pass or by paying cash prices. Once your prescription is approved, place your order, medications are delivered and directly to your door with options for free or expedited shipping for Prime members. So, this is how you can get Amazon Pharmacy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.